So today, okay, so maybe we should start there. Welcome to Creations by Karen.
Welcome.
And today we are going to make a fall centerpiece for your table.
All outside on the front doorstep. I kind of like it outside.
Okay, outside at the front doorstep. Good morning, Sharon. Good morning, Debbie. Hey, Diane. Okay, so I got these last year at Michael's. Well, they're not. Yeah, they are plastic.
Yeah.
Pumpkins, right? And they have them in all sizes and stuff. These I think are perfect, which are about 12 inches, I think.
Mm.
And just cut the top off. Not hard to do. Just like trace it with your marker, and then I just used a kitchen knife to go around.
Cut you don't stop your hand.
Don't stamp your hand. Yeah, no. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. All right. Now, the next thing you're going to do, and I've already done yours. You don't need this.
Ooh. Throw it away.
Throw it away. But I found these at Dollar Grandma, Dollar Tree, don't remember, some dollar store. And that's just floral foam. And all I'm going to do is put it inside here. Because I want to be putting floral in, and I don't want to like use hot glue because I think you can just change it out if you don't like particularly. So these ones come in 4 blocks, like so. And you got to make your hole big enough that this will fit. Of course, I didn't do that, so I just got to shave a bit off. Always handy to have a knife. Good morning, everyone. All right. Look at that, I've made a mess. Oh, I'm putting that in there, shouldn't I? Okay, and all I gotta do, sorry, I gotta scroll down here. 61 of you in the house. Make sure you say hi. Say hi. Some.
Good morning, Judith. How's it going?
New comments. Let's see. This is not my laptop. This is Anthony's because I forgot it. Because my sister's in my house. Going shopping in Craft Central before you go home. You're not going down. My sister is in my house. No shopping in Craft Central. Treaty. Back away from Craft Central. Putting that there for a second. I just put some hot glue and I just a little bit down here. And then just take one of these blocks, feed it in, and put it down.
Yeah.
So the first one, you just kind of just put it down. Good morning, good morning. See how it's in there? Right in the center. And then they take the second one, put some hot glue on it, put it in, and place it on top of the first one. And do that with all 4. Good? Good? Thumbs up, people. Following me. And one more. Good morning from Michigan. Michigan. Okay, last one in. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. Okay, so just stuff it in. All right. Don't think we need that anymore. Don't think so. Okay, so now we have our pumpkin. There's a fly. Good morning, good morning. Hey, everybody. Okay, shall we get going?
Shall.
All right. Good morning, Kathy. Good morning, Linda. Both of us. Cheers.
Cheers, my dear.
Okay. You have some floral I gave you over there.
I do, yeah.
So I think what I want you to do is create your own. Make it pretty. So all I suggest you do, okay, is let's start off with your foliage, your leaves, and make it so that it kind of comes down here, and then put tall things up, and then sort of put the florals. You think you can do it?
We should give it a try. Why
We can
not?
give it a
Yeah,
try.
that's what it's all about. This is what the carrying event of the show is all about.
It is.
Crafted on a budget.
Crafting on a budget.
And a village idiot can do it. Anybody can.
Good morning. A village idiot? Did you know there's a store in London called
I
the
do,
Village
yeah.
Idiot?
Yeah, it's a good vinyl shop. That's what that calls.
Oh, really? I
Yeah.
didn't know that. So you want to... Yeah. Good morning, everybody. I can't get that up. Doesn't want to go up. I think I'll stick it in. So I just put it in. And you want to make sure that it goes all the way around, because you can see it from every place that you're sitting in. Now I have one of these spider plant thingies. I'm gonna stick that in there. So just, play with it and make it like your own. Especially if you're making this for yourself, you can make it however you like. Get your
Good morning, Carol from
Stuff you
Illinois.
like?
Illinois. Here we go.
good morning, good morning. And let me see what else I got. Oh, look, I got this. So I'm just going to cut some of it off. Because we each have our own today. It's hot in here. Woo! We shut the turbines off so you guys could hear us. They usually have the turbines going, and makes it a little bit
A bit of a breeze.
of a breeze.
No. Such a big one.
I'm just putting these all around. Just kind of random. You do whatever you like. Make it pretty.
Good morning, Janet and Nancy. How are you, darling?
All right. Nancy's better half is next door in his booth. She said she didn't want to come and play today here.
Oh.
I asked her if she wanted to come. No. It's okay. Camera shy. It's all right. Okay, so there's mine so far. Let me straighten. Shut up. How you doing?
I am doing
I just
fandabidosa.
want to touch it, you know? I would stuff them in longer and cut your, cut them off a bit. You can do whatever you want. So I'm going to go with this orange stuff. I've got one of these.
Thank you, Julia. Happy Sunday to you as well.
Hey, Julia. Are you coming tomorrow, Julia? Julia is my cleaning lady. Sunday. Let's see, what do I got? Another one here. Oh, this one's got a pumpkin on it. How cool is that? I like it.
Yeah.
Going with the fall theme. So you just want to make sure that the base you can't see. Okay? So just keep coming around and putting them in. Go. Yay. Yes, I'm happy for that. Julia, thank you. So anytime you have one of these picks, you just want to make sure you open it up.
Like I didn't.
Nope.
She was watching me, wasn't you?
Not saying. But you know the rules, right? Been doing this long enough. Whoop. Take it down. There we go. 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 There we
me your knife, please.
Yes.
Thank you, darling.
So you can get your florals anywhere. I got some at Michael's. I got some at Dollar Tree. Just wherever. I know they have the pumpkins at Michael's right now. They're a little pricey. Use your coupon. That's all you have to do. Look at cute.
If you haven't got a coupon, make sure they're a good winner. And you make sure
What?
nothing.
Put that off. All right. So now I'm going to put some floral in. Make it pretty. You see how fast and easy this is, guys? And if you're doing craft shows this fall, like, make a part of it these. Easy to make. Came in late. Did you cut out the center? You betcha. So I'm just going to put some floral in here. Pretty. Just hanging out. I cut floral, yes. Oh no. Gotta cut those individually. Sorry.
Oh, God. Now you tell me.
Well, you gotta see how I put mine so that you can't see the sort of this part.
Oh, yes.
You just go ahead and make it your own.
Well,
Let's see. Thank you. I like it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Nothing in life is. Right? This is it's good, Tony. You're going to put that in your booth.
we are.
Yeah. You can take it home and put it on your table. How about that? Yeah. Hey? It doesn't have to be symmetrical. It just has to look good. Good morning, good morning. What's a pumpkin made of? It's like plastic.
Yeah.
It's the one I got it at Michael's. See how I can see all that shenanigans. So what I would suggest is take some and cut them back so when you put it in, it kind of covers this area. Just a thought. See how, look at mine. See how you can't see this part? Look.
Oh, yes. Professional and amateur. That's the problem.
Well,
That's the
no,
difference.
I'm not a professional.
You are.
And spin it around so you can get things out.
Yeah.
And I'm just going to put some small leaves in there. Just for some extra texture.
This is much good.
Yes. See much better? It's pretty. What do you think?
I think it's good in there now.
You have some moss to fill it in. He won't need the moss if he does it the way he's supposed to. You got to space there. But yes, do you have any moss at home?
I don't, unfortunately, no.
No.
Where I'm from, I've got lots of moss.
Like in Britain? Yeah?
I think that's coming on all right now.
You think it is?
Do you think so?
Not mine.
Snip this one a bit.
I think Karen is. No,
There, I agree, Judy. She is. She yeah. Oh, with praise. Yeah. Good player. But I'm a professional candle maker.
Well, yes,
I
you
know
are.
that.
Very good at what you do. Got one more piece, so I'm going to stick it in.
That's nice. Twiddle this one.
So just like, you just look at it and make sure you like it.
Yeah.
Just key. Especially if you're making it for yourself. Got a spot in my booth for this one. Is that sticking out too much? Yes. Have to do it. You don't have to. I'll just sip coffee and watch you. There you go. That's the way,
Ooh.
my friend.
Yeah.
See what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, it's quite, that was quite long.
Mm. Good morning. They're both beautiful. Yes, they are.
And so are the pumpkins.
Yep. What do you think? How long did that take? Like, not very long. There you go. Jam that in. Just jam it in. There you go. Okay. All right, guys. Let's see it. Anthony's. Spin it around so they can see all sides. There you go. Perfect. This is mine. Yay! There's Sherry. She's refusing to come and say hi. Okay. What do you think, guys? I want a thumbs up. How about hearts? I want to see hearts.
Spread some love.
Spread some love. Okay. All right. That's it.
That was a very, very easy little crafty thing to do. I like that. I enjoy it. Very inexpensive.
No, it doesn't have to be expensive.
No,
Just be aware of
inexpensive.
where you get your stuff. Like you know me, I buy at the end of the season last year, so I have pumpkins in my basement that I'm using to make crafts with, and foliage and flowers and stuff. Because I buy things at the end of the season. Like if you're buying spring and summer, buy them now for next year. Okay? Anyways, that's it, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. We have to turn the turbines on because it is like 900 degrees in here. Both pretty.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
You. And until then, love you all.
We'll see you next week.
We'll see you next week. Don't know what we're making. Stay tuned to find out. Bye.